Frog Fuel is a 15-gram liquid protein supplement for active lifestyles. There's no banned substances, no sugar, no fat, no carbs, no gluten, no cholesterol, no lactose, and no excess ingredients. Frog Fuel uses a blend of fortified amino acids to rebuild muscles, connective tissues, bones, tendons, and cartilage. Fruit enzymes then pre-digest the protein for rapid absorption and quicker use by the body. Frog Fuel also includes taurine, which allows the protein to enter and rebuild your muscles faster. Faster absorption means better performance and quicker recovery. This is the science behind Frog Fuel. Nothing more, nothing less.